Help guide video tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn the new input activity. That is the new input activity for editing of coordinates. So you have to click on the input icon. Alright, so these are my coordinates, and like we have already watched before in our first video, this is how the coordinates are formatted. Here you can also edit your bearings and distances too, and also you can also combine both bearings and distances and coordinates at the same time. So the first thing you're going to do is, when you are writing the format for your coordinates, first of all, write your transverse name. It's very important. Now when you come downward, you will see coordinates. Here we have two comma signs. If you can watch closer, it means that these coordinates are demarcated by the two comma signs each for the lines. Now if you look at this is the point name. You can call it station name or the beacon name. So we have the PT0, and that's the starting point. And here, this is the east coordinate, or you can also call it eastern coordinate. Okay, then the second one is the north coordinates or the northern coordinate. So we have the second point, which is PT02 and its coordinates. We have the third point, east and north, and then the fourth point. And then this is the first coordinate. And then it is now repeated here. The reason why it is being done is to close the transverse. Okay, so anytime you have coordinate arrangement such that the first one is being repeated at the last one, it means that the transverse is being closed. You can call it a closed loop transverse. So the actual points are 1, 2, 3, 4 points, which is now being closed back to this first coordinate by repeating it here at the last point. But if you have something like a different point name, for example, we have P205, it means that the coordinate is not close. We can also make changes to here. We have 2, 4. So we now have a different transverse. Okay, and this transverse is now called open transverse. Okay, because it's no longer close. Here we now have 5 points. Okay, so let me undo to return to 4 points. That is a closed loop transverse. Okay, so I hope you understand this very well. Now let us look below to see the icons below. Okay, so just